Welcome to the surprising journey of one of nature's most versatile ingredients, the coconut.
Today, we will explore how fresh coconuts are transformed into high-quality coconut milk, serving countless dishes and drinks around the world.
It all begins with the careful harvesting of mature coconuts from the plantations. Once delivered to the factory, modern technology is applied to sort the coconuts, ensuring only those meeting the highest standards continue the journey. Next, the coconuts are thoroughly washed under powerful water jets to ensure maximum hygiene. The mesh conveyor allows water to drain away easily, leaving the coconuts clean and ready for the next steps.
The cleaned coconuts are moved into automated storage, waiting to be processed. From storage, the coconuts are transferred onto a roller conveyor, where they will be efficiently deshelled. Metal molds hold the coconuts firmly in place, preparing them for the deshelling process. The coconuts enter a specialized deshelling area, where machines will perform this tough task. A robot precisely clamps the coconut and cleanly separates the shell, retaining only the coconut meat inside. A fleet of robots works in synchronization, ensuring high productivity and consistent quality.
Each coconut is laser scanned to check the quality of the meat, ensuring freshness and zero defects.
After inspection, the coconuts are halved by an industrial cutter, revealing the white coconut meat.
The robot uses a sharp blade to split the coconut quickly and safely. Once split, the coconut meat remains intact, ready for the next step. Modern presses extract all the fresh coconut water from each half, ensuring no waste.
Robots suction the meat out of the shell, while the shells are automatically sent for recycling.
The coconut meat enters an automatic peeling machine to remove the thin brown skin, leaving only the pure white flesh.
Workers meticulously inspect every peeled coconut, removing those that don't meet standards to guarantee the final product's quality.
These are the perfect pieces of coconut meat, ready for the processing stages.
Unused shells and fibers are transported to a separate area for processing, often used as fertilizer or biofuel.
The whole coconut meat is sent to the grinder, where it will be crushed to easily extract the milk.
Before grinding, staff recheck the quality of the meat, ensuring no impurities and desired freshness.
Water is pumped into the press to extract coconut milk from the ground meat. The ground coconut is moved onto a conveyor, preparing for the pressing process.
After pressing, the meat is shaped into rounds, helping to optimize the extraction process. Workers closely monitor the process, ensuring every batch meets standards.
The meat enters the press, where it undergoes the first extraction of coconut milk.
After the first press, the residue is moved to a conveyor for continued extraction.
Automatic presses perform the squeezing process continuously and efficiently. Robots place the coconut cakes into special presses, ensuring maximum extraction of the remaining milk.
The machine operates at high pressure, squeezing the liquid out of the meat, yielding pure coconut milk.
The dry coconut meat, after pressing, is sent to a dryer, preparing for powder production.
Workers check the coconuts once more before deshelling to eliminate any errors.
Industrial cutters chop the shells into small fragments for easy handling. Another machine trims the shells clean, ensuring no fibers remain attached. The machine automatically peels off the outer brown skin, revealing the white meat.
For fresh coconuts, robots automatically peel the shell into a unique pyramid shape, serving the direct drinking market.
Peeled coconuts are fed into a cleaning machine to remove small debris.
The pure white coconuts move along the conveyor, ready for the next stages.
Rows of coconuts enter processing machines where they will be transformed into various products.
Some types of fresh coconuts are still peeled manually by skilled workers, ensuring precision and preserving the natural beauty of the fruit.
The meat is manually scooped from the shell, a step requiring skill to avoid breaking the pieces.
Workers check every coconut, discarding damaged or substandard ones to ensure final product quality.
After peeling, coconuts are washed in water to ensure hygiene and maintain freshness.
Fresh washed coconuts float in the water, demonstrating freshness and readiness for packaging. Fresh coconuts move on the conveyor, continuing to be rinsed under water jets to ensure food safety.
Deshelled coconuts enter the cutter, preparing for deeper processing.
A laser machine scans and cuts the coconuts with high precision, creating perfect pieces.
Peeled coconuts are washed with hot steam, helping to deep clean and sanitize.
After washing, the coconuts are dried with hot air, preparing for drying or freezing processes.
Coconuts enter the press, where they are squeezed for the final milk extraction. Staff thoroughly inspect the quality of the peeled coconuts, ensuring every piece is perfect.
Peeled coconuts continue into the dryer, where they will be dried for preservation.
Coconuts enter a rapid cooler, helping to retain flavor and nutrients. Liquid nitrogen freezes them instantly, keeping the coconuts as fresh as if they were just picked.
Coconut halves are washed with hot water, ensuring hygiene and preparing for extraction.
Fresh coconut water is poured into the half shell, ready for consumption.
Peeled coconuts enter a steam cleaner, ensuring optimal hygiene. Hot steam cleans deeply, preparing the coconut for the next processing steps. Coconuts are washed with hot water, removing any remaining impurities.
Coconuts enter the cooler to maintain freshness. The meat after pressing enters a dryer, preparing to be ground into powder.
Dried coconut meat is fed into a grinder, turning it into fine coconut flour. The grinder works powerfully, crushing the coconut into a uniform powder.
Staff check the mixer settings, ensuring the process operates correctly.
Separated meat enters the grinder, preparing for milk extraction.
The machine finely grinds the meat, facilitating maximum extraction.
The ground meat enters the press, extracting the first flow of coconut milk.
The pressed residue enters a cutter, preparing for recycling or waste management.
Cut coconut meat is ground down, forming coconut powder.
Coconut powder enters the dryer, ensuring perfect dryness.
Coconut powder is transported on the conveyor, ready for packaging or further processing.
For certain products, coconut meat is pressed manually to ensure quality and optimal freshness.
Coconut meat enters the machine, where it is pressed to obtain coconut milk. Coconut meat enters a mixer, preparing for the milk creation process. Fresh coconut milk is filtered through a fine mesh, removing all sediment and impurities, resulting in a pure liquid.
This thorough filtration ensures the coconut milk achieves the highest smoothness and quality.
The stream of white coconut milk flows along the line, ready to be stored in large tanks. The milk continues moving, ensuring a continuous supply for production.
The dried pressed meat enters a mixer, combining with other ingredients to create byproducts.
Coconut milk is pumped into a filtration machine, where it undergoes another cleaning process.
This filtration removes fine particles completely, delivering a smooth, uniform coconut milk.
After filtering, the milk flows into large tanks, ensuring absolute purity.
The milk is pumped into large stainless steel tanks, where it is kept at ideal conditions and temperature.
Staff test samples of the milk, ensuring it meets strict quality standards before production.
The fat content is precisely measured, a crucial factor determining the flavor and application of the product.
Remaining coconut fiber is mixed with water to create byproducts like dry fiber or activated charcoal.
Coconut milk continues into storage, ready for the next processing steps.
The stream of milk flows through a complex piping system, ensuring stable temperature and quality. The milk enters a heater, where it is preheated before sterilization.
Temperature is strictly controlled, ensuring safe and efficient heating.
The milk enters a mixer, where it is stirred to achieve maximum uniformity.
Continuous mixing creates a smooth flow of milk without clumps.
The milk continues through the pipes, strictly monitored for quality.
The milk enters a modern sterilizer, undergoing ultra-high temperature UHT processing to bacteria. The sterilizer works effectively, ensuring the milk is safe and has a long shelf life.
A 3D model clearly shows how the sterilization and separation machinery works to optimize production.
Wastewater from production is treated via a strict process, ensuring no environmental pollution.
Pure sterilized milk enters final storage tanks, ready for packaging.
Automatic counters check flow and quality, ensuring all parameters are accurate.
The milk enters a mixer for a final stir before canning. Mixing ensures the milk remains smooth and consistent. The final drops show the thickness and high quality of the product. Powerful piston machines pump the milk into pipes to prepare for canning. Each amount is precisely dosed, ensuring uniform volume in every can.
Coconut milk is mixed with stabilizers or fats, creating a product with specific flavor and richness.
System pressure is continuously monitored, ensuring safe and efficient operation.
The milk moves through the pipes, strictly controlled before reaching packaging. The milk continues its journey through the complex piping system.
Sterilization temperature is the most critical step, ensuring safety and extending shelf life. After sterilization, The milk is rapidly cooled to preserve flavor and nutrients.
Sterilized milk moves onto the conveyor, ready for canning.
Empty cans are fed into the automatic packaging machine, ready to be filled. Robots automatically position the cans, ensuring a smooth process. Thousands of cans move along the belt, waiting to be filled and sealed. The machine automatically fills each can with precise measurements. After filling, cans are exposed to UV light to sterilize the surface, ensuring absolute hygiene. The filling process is fast and efficient, with every can thoroughly checked.
The machine automatically caps each can, sealing it tightly to preserve the product. The lid is sealed shut, ensuring no air can enter, keeping the milk fresh.
Rows of packaged cans move on the conveyor, ready for the next stage.
An automatic machine applies labels with the logo and detailed product information.
The packaging machine automatically seals cans into boxes, ready for shipping.
The finished cans are shiny and ready to reach consumers. Cans are washed after packaging to remove any smudges or fingerprints.
Hot steam deep cleans and sanitizes, ensuring absolute safety. Production and expiration dates are clearly printed on each can, ensuring transparency for consumers.
Each can is X-rayed to detect any foreign objects or internal defects, ensuring absolute safety.
During inspection, any substandard cans are rejected and processed separately.
The finished cans, with clear and attractive labeling. Cans move on the conveyor, ready for boxing. Thousands of colorful cans create an impressive scene on the conveyor belt.
Cans are automatically sorted, ensuring correct types and quantities. Robots place cans into cartons precisely, ensuring neat arrangement.
Automated boxing saves time and labor. Cartons are shrink-wrapped, protecting the product from dust and damage. The wrap is heated to cling tightly to the product, creating a secure package.
After wrapping, cartons are cooled by large fans, ensuring the durability of the wrap.
Shipping labels are automatically applied, containing logistics tracking info.
Packaged cartons are transported on the conveyor, ready for the warehouse. Robots automatically stack cartons onto pallets, creating neat cargo blocks.
Pallets are stacked, optimizing storage space.
Pallets are moved on the conveyor, preparing for storage.
Pallets are tightly shrink-wrapped, protecting goods during transport.
Robots stack each carton onto the pallet, building a solid load.
Pallets are transported into the automated warehouse, ensuring safe and efficient storage.
An automatic wrapper secures the pallet with film, protecting it from damage.
The pallet is fully wrapped, ready for shipping.
Shipping labels are applied to the pallet, containing essential tracking information.
Forklifts move the pallets, loading them into storage or onto trucks.
Forklifts move pallets through high racking aisles, where coconut milk is carefully stored.
The vast warehouse features shelves stocked full of product, ready to serve market demand. Forklift operators carefully place pallets onto high shelves. Thousands of pallets are stored neatly, waiting for shipment day.
Forklift loading pallet into a container, preparing for the journey to consumers worldwide.
Workers close and lock the container doors, ensuring cargo safety throughout the journey.
And a fear teacher. The audio features gentle ambient supermarket sounds, including the soft rolling of a...
With a familiar pop, you can immediately enjoy the fresh taste of coconut milk.
Coconut milk is an excellent ingredient for many dishes, from desserts to savory meals.
Adding coconut milk to curry creates an irresistible, rich, and creamy flavor.
A delicious, steaming bowl of shrimp curry is proof of coconut milk's versatility.
Coconut milk is also a perfect choice for iced coffee, bringing a unique and refreshing taste.
From lush green plantations to modern factories, coconut milk has undergone a magical journey to become an essential part of daily life.